Guys, this is a vending machine gas station. I'm talking about there's no workers. It's literally a vending machine. Whatever you need, 24 hours. This is something crazy. I've been living here for so long. Look at this. It's just a vending machine gas station, literally. Whatever you need. So, let's see what they got. It's literally a gas station, a vending machine. Boom. Let's see, snacks, boom. Let's see what they got. I'm talking about they got everything you need. Quick, let's go for drinks. I need something to drink. Wait. Guys, I'm talking about they got everything. It's literally everything. This is so crazy. This is insane. Guys, I'm about to make you part 2. This man is putting gas at the gas station real quick. But like I said, they have everything you need, from energy drinks to alcohol. So let's go get something real quick. But see, they got cigarettes, they got drinks. But let's see, I need me something to drink this morning. Red Bull. I had one. Go back. But I'm gonna see. Where's this? The cigarettes. You might need an ID. But go back. Yeah, they got everything, guys. They got everything. I just seen some swishers. Oh, okay. Never mind. Go back. Oh, they got juice. They got CBD. But anyway, let's get this energy drink because I gotta go to work. But you also can order cigarettes. I don't smoke, so I don't know. I only vape. So check out cash. Let's see. Let's see where it's gonna come out from. I'm wondering where it's gonna come out from, guys. I don't know where. Shop here though, but let's see. I don't see anything. Oh shit. What? I can hear the change coming out. Okay. I don't see no drinks. I got my change though. Video about to be done. This vending machine is going to the fridge. Wait, I didn't get my drink. Yeah, I stole my drink. But yo, this vending machine did not give me my drink. Yeah, my Red Bull didn't come out, and my video on TikTok went viral.
Yeah, it was a Red Bull. Hold on. Which port were you on?
I was on this port. It was a Red Bull.
Okay. On the last transaction, all I see was a Monster energy drink.
It wasn't today. It was yesterday.
Oh, there's something that I gotta go back and look up. I just can't dismiss that without.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was yesterday. I was recording a video on TikTok, but it didn't come out. So.
Yeah. Do you know about what time that you came and did that?
Around 9 in the morning.
Yeah, when a customer doesn't get an item, they need to let us know right away.
Oh, see, it was actually my first time, so I did not know. So Like I said, my video went viral and people was telling me shake it. It might come out.
Was it just a regular Red Bull?
Yeah, it was a watermelon.
Okay, just remember next time, get in that, let us know right away.
I got you. Guys, actually they do get someone inside the vending machine gas station, and if the drink doesn't come out, just ask for help. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But let's see, can you buy a beer at a vending machine gas station? Let's see. Trying to see. Good. I can see who's this guy. So you do need an ID, guys. You do need an ID for it to work. So I just put my ID in, and they just took my ID out. Cool. Check out. Oh, item. Check out. So yes, they do ask for IDs. They do ask for IDs. Where does it go? For cash. But yes. So I just put my ID in, and they just took my ID out. Cool. Check out. Oh, item. Check out. So yes, they do ask for IDs. They do ask for IDs. Where does it go? For cash. But yes. So you do need an ID, guys. You do need an ID for it to work.